don't go after the D-boy who has no vision. If you're gonna go after, don't go for the D-boy whose vision is I'm gonna have 20 million kilos. Not that vision. Not that vision.
Right?
Not the vision. Go for the D-boy who he's doing it. That's what you want. Go for the one who wants something more than that, and you see that in him. Because if you don't see that, and then you're gonna be just going down a long road of the same thing over and over. You know what I'm saying? Getting locked up, getting robbed,
Right.
robbing, having to pull guns. It's all the same thing. Police. So it's like, go for the one that's actually got a vision. Who wants to? Because my honest opinion is some of the best business people are people who come from the dope
now
game.
that I would agree with. I've had
see
a
what
lot
I'm
of
saying?
clients that, yeah.
So what I'm
Yeah.
saying is, if you get one of them who are willing to take the game and apply it to something else, but if you get with somebody that's all you see is they're never gonna change.